So you people, na Igbo? No, we are not Igbo. We are from Dunikofia in Egala State. Yes. Now, I am here to defend because you swear to God that if I mention VDM name, you swear to God that God will punish you. No, it will not punish you. Let me define VDM. Now, VDM can be defined as very division movement. That is the meaning of VDM, very division movement. I hope you are satisfied now because I swear to God, that God way swear to me too. I swear to God. I swear to God, if you come for me, I will come for you. If you come for me, I come for you. You don't know me, oh, because I dey take am gentle. I don't start gym. If you come for me, I come for you. Sure, you know my husband, you know him. I swear to God, you cannot stand two of us. Wallahi talahi. Wallahi, semuchu buru waka, semuchu buzu waka, semuchu duru baka. Let the charity calm down.